Good morning all of you. Today now I talk about Kapal Bharti. Now I get ready. So first of all I would like to little about Kapal Bharti. Place your hands on your knees and raise them facing upwards. Next hold the index finger of both hands such that their tips touch the tips of the thumb. Close your eyes. Keep your head and back straight and relax your shoulders. Inhale through both the nostrils deeply while focusing on the belly region as you exhale. Now continue. So pull your navel back towards the spine as much as you can. Your exhale should feel like a light out burst. This means it should be fast while you pull your stomach inwards. During exhalations, you should be able to hear a hissing sound. Take 20 such breath to complete and one rounds of Kapal Bharti pranayams. Repeat 4 to 5 rounds per day. Thank you guys.